Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name removable handle and with this drawing. We start by creating this revolving volume 2212. We'll apply also the thickness because we'll use this internal void volume by sharing the sketch. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a vertical line. As you can see, keep pressed the left button on this end, the button of the mouse, to here. Okay. We place on the same vertical these 2 points and we apply offset of 1.5 millimeters. We connect these 2 ends and these 2 ends. Okay, coincident is this line with this point, this line with this point. Dimensions, let me draw another lines. One is this and the other must be center line. Dimensions, this is 22 dimension in the drawing and this is 12. We have a fully constrained sketch. This is the sketch. We also extend this center line to be ended here. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay. Now we have a volume. Now we create this revolving volume by creating a new solid. My friends, be careful. Dimensions are diameter of 37, 14 is this dimension, 34 is this dimension, and an angle of 45. This is the axis for revolving. We use the same plane, XY, for a new sketch, F7, and we draw a vertical line of 34, then to the left, down, and back to that vertical. That vertical is a center line. Dimensions 14, angle of 45, and diameter of 37. We have a fully constrained sketch and revolve as a new volume, not cut, not intersect, not join, but new solid. Okay. This part has many fillets. We use radius 3 here, and in the future also radius 2 radius 2 after we combine the two. This is the first fillet and this is the second one. Now we have to cut this revolving volume by using this dimension of 7. We use this plane for a new sketch. Then we draw a rectangle, as you can see here. This line coincident with this point, and these are not important. We place here a dimension of 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude with cut, symmetrical, and we have to select what is the solid to be used. Not this, but this. You see, we have two solids. 1, 2. We will select this one. Click on it. Then we apply all the way, cutting. Okay, very nice. Now we apply mirror of the last feature about XY plane. Okay, you see what is the result. Now we combine this with this. You see here two solids, and now you see only one. Now we can apply fillet here of 2 millimeters, which is by default on both faces, plus also 2 millimeters fillet on the other features. Other fillets are these two, radius 1. We select one edge, one on both sides. Okay. Next is this feature. Take care of this dimension of 1 between this edge and the new drawing. The depth is 1 millimeter, radius 0.3 is here. Don't forget there is a 2 millimeter radius here. We select this face, new sketch, then we project all this area. We apply offset of 1 millimeter. 1. Finish sketch, extrude this, the other direction. 1 millimeter is the depth. Okay. Then we place here a fillet of 2. 2 is by default. Plus 0.3 here and also 0.3 to the other edge. Okay. Now we can apply mirror of 1, 2, 3 features about the plane XY. One feature is missing. You see, this one is missing. I encounter this some times, and we have to apply manually this radius 0.3 on the bottom on the other side. Okay, I don't know why, but this is the result. Now we can create this void space with the dimension of 1.5 for the thickness, and we'll use the first sketch. We select this sketch and we apply share sketch. As you can see, the shared sketch is always before the this feature, the corresponding feature, even if we'll use here when we create that new feature. Double click on the shared sketch, we select these construction lines to be normal, and we apply revolve to this, not to this, and not to all. We select this with cut. The axis is known. Okay. You see the result here. We can hide the shared sketch. This is a clone of this. If you change this, this will be also changed. We use again the plane XY, F7, rectangle, 4 tab 1.5. We place this point over the center point, finish sketch. We apply extrude the other direction to be a cut all the way. Okay, then circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, not 6 occurrences but 8 occurrences. Okay. Now we can verify the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. A very, very small difference between the two solutions. We keep the last value because this is what we did here together today. The part is made of steel carbon, semi-polished, we apply a view without edges, then default lights instead of IBL. Now you can compare the two and you don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.